Hey y'all, and welcome back. Today we're making a strawberry dessert. Come and join us in the kitchen as we share this easy recipe. Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how to make an easy strawberry dessert. You're going to add a couple strawberries to a Ninja or even a blender. We're going to add a few drops of stevia for our sweetener. You could add sugar, maple syrup, or whatever you choose. It don't take much because your strawberries are already sweet this time of year. And now we're going to add a half a teaspoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of water. Now we're just going to blend. And now just pour your mixture in a little saucepan, and we're going to boil it until it thickens. It'll take around 5 to 7 minutes. And now we're going to mix up some heavy cream because you'll need Cool Whip once you take your strawberry mixture out of the saucepan. It only takes like 8 seconds to turn heavy cream. Into thick Cool Whip for you in a Ninja. Okay, you can see our strawberry mixture is already thickening up. So we're going to let this keep cooking for just a few more minutes. And then when it finishes, we're going to let it cool. And then we're going to add it to our heavy cream Cool Whip that we made. So, like if you're on a low-carb diet and you're missing ice cream, especially strawberry ice cream, using this Cool Whip and this mixture together reminds you of strawberry ice cream. Okay, we're going to let our mixture cool, and then we're going to add it to our heavy cream. We're going to pour it out of our saucepan. And let it come to room temperature and cool. Or you could set it in the freezer for just a few minutes to cool it down. Now we're going to add our strawberry mixture. And just fold it in. going to place it in the freezer and chill it for around 30 minutes. We just got it out of the freezer, and you could chill it even longer. I'm going to add a couple strawberries. And y'all just look. So if you're missing strawberry ice cream, you can still make it using just a few ingredients that you have. Look how thick and creamy it turns out. And that was only in the freezer for around 30 minutes. So the longer you chill it, the thicker it'll get. I hope y'all like this quick little video on this easy strawberry dessert. If you're going to try it, comment down below. Leave us some ideas you might have on easy desserts. Okay, y'all, I hope you like this quick little video on our strawberry dessert. And if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Thanks for watching.